Okay, it's treat time. Good, set. One for Chrissy. One for Breeze. One for Callie. One for Gracie. Good girls. One for Chrissy. One for Breeze and the bubbles. Look at the bubbles on this. Need to mop the floor after this. And one for Callie. One for Gracie. One for Chrissy. One for Breeze. One for Callie. Here, take it off. And another one for Chrissy, and one for Breeze, and one for Callie. That's it.